Hey y'all, I'm gonna show you how to add a friend in Splitwise. So open the app, and then you see the friends tab at the bottom. Press on add more friends, and then if you already have them in your contacts, you're gonna need to go into settings and turn on the setting. I'll show you how to do it right here. Contacts, all full access. Press that for an iPhone. I don't know for Android, but if you don't have them in your contacts, press add new contact, and then right here, and then put in like their name and stuff, and put in any random put in your friend's email address or phone number. I'll just put in some random one. Oh yeah, you see here, it's gonna say the thing, and then press finish. And you see it's done. You sent them an invite. Now all they need to do is download the app and then you're gonna put them in the group. All right, see you guys in another video.